It's DJ Edgerton here from the second day of Digital Pharma West in San Francisco, and I'm here with Kabir Shahani from Appature. Appature is a very interesting technology, and we wanted to give him an opportunity to talk a little bit more about how his organization and his software and his opinion of marketing currently in the pharma space, in the healthcare space, and what his product can do to help people better manage programs. Thanks.
Yeah, thanks, DJ. Great to be here.
Yeah, me too.
So we're really excited. You know, today we're going to be I'll be talking to the group here about a concept that I'm very passionate about. We call informed marketing. The idea being that we have evolved as an industry in pharmaceuticals to the point where there's a lot of great data that can be leveraged to perform different types of marketing activity that is a value add to the patient and a value add to the physician. And this concept is a sort of an academic view of using different tools and technologies, Appature Nexus included, to help drive different programs and measure the results of those programs in real time. So we'll be sharing practical applications of that, how to go about driving change in each of these organizations to manage through all the different pieces that are necessary to be able to get to effective marketing that is required given the industry shifts right now.
So this is servicing not just programs directly to consumers, but obviously to physicians as well, to healthcare providers. Can you give like a light example of how you might how your technology might facilitate a program that and obviously make it more effective?
Certainly. So, you know, one of the challenges is, as you know, coming to these shows and starting to really understand this industry is that we're starting to see a significant shift in the availability and access to the physician, and that's because of the increased or the decreased reimbursement rates. It's because of how busy these physicians have gotten in their offices, and as a result, pharma companies are really stretched to say, well, how do I ensure that A, my rep gets access, and B, when my rep does get access, they actually are delivering a message of value. So with our technology, one of the things that we've been able to do is help each of these pharma organizations that we work with pull together all the different disparate data sets that they have to be able to understand comprehensively, well, which stimuli drive the share with a particular physician because of the value we can add in that exchange. So we're finding that our customers are using this technology to do things like, for example, figure out, well, based on an engagement online, how do I then prioritize where I send a sales rep in real time to pull through? And we think about that as the integrated customer experience. We are helping our customers use this technology to drive a customer experience that isn't just about one channel. It's not just about an email or about a text message or about a sales rep. It's about how those things hang together. And it's about creating an integrated experience for that physician so they feel less interrupted from these different stimuli and they feel more enabled by those stimuli.
So a lot of these, it's almost as if a physician, as he's going through touch points, you know, identifies himself. He becomes almost like hyper-identified. Is it true that your technology in real time then informs the organization to act on that while the physician is in the emotional state of interest in that particular product or service?
That's right. Okay. So the technology not only enables that real-time view by the healthcare professional marketer, but it helps them also set up rules to say, well, when we get that engagement, automatically then create a sales activity for a rep or automatically trigger a follow-up message or survey or whatever the other stimuli might be.
So like a top-of-mind app.
That's right.
All right. Well, it's very interesting, and I'm sure you've seen some great successes. I think that you know, being here at Digital Pharma West, we've seen a lot of new technologies, at least new advertisers and sponsors who maybe have been working in the marketplace for a few years. How long have you been involved in this how long has your technology been available, I should say? So
we created the company in January of 2007, okay. And spent a good 3 years in R&D. This, as you can imagine from some of the scenarios we're talking about, there's an incredible technical complexity in what we do, and if you've noticed, our tagline is surprisingly simple. And so extrapolating the complexity and creating a system that can deliver this type of value, but doing so in a way that's simple and lowers the barrier of use for the end marketer has been something that's taken us a number of years, and we just in the past 9 to 12 months have begun the commercial process and have had just a lot of great fortune in bringing this product to market.
Well, that's awesome. What are your thoughts on Digital Pharma West? This obviously is your first Digital Pharma West.
This is my first Digital Pharma West. Our company's been here a couple of years. We're pushing hard for Seattle next year. The San Francisco summers aren't as nice as they are in Seattle. So we're looking forward to potentially welcoming the group to our hometown. It's great to see different consumer and healthcare professional marketers across different types of pharma, biopharma, all the way to your sort of more traditional pharmacos come together and really focus on this transition. I have a hypothesis that 3 years from now we're going to be standing here and the audience is going to be about 5 to 10 times as big as it is today. So it's really exciting to have the one-on-one connections that we're able to drive in this show, because I think this is a space that's going to be getting very big very fast.
So I want to thank you. If anyone wants to learn more about Appature, where might they get that information?
Great question, DJ. Would love for everybody to visit Appatureinc.com. It's APPATUREINC.com to learn more about our products, see a demo, and talk to anybody from our team.
Well, thanks for talking with us, and good luck with everything.
Thanks, DJ. Appreciate it.
It's DJ at Digital Pharma West signing off. Thanks.